So you want to add a form to your Framer website. It's actually quite easy, and let me show you. You click plus, then you go form, type in form, select the form builder, drag it into your canvas, and there you have a form. And you can customize it, of course, add more fields like this, plus, text, checkbox, radio, and select. Those are the options. You can change the placeholder text. You can select if a field is required or not. You can adjust, of course, the fonts and the colors. And that's pretty much it. And whenever a form is submitted, you can also set up a redirect to a thank you page, and you can set up that all of the responses to the form should be sent to your email or a Google Sheet. If you select a Google Sheet, you need to create a new Google Sheet, and then the entries will be shown like this. So you can build a simple form, but this is where the Framer's native form building functionality ends. But what if you need multi-step forms? What if you need people to upload an image? What if you need conditional logic where different questions are shown based on the answers, or you want to set up a multi-step form? Then you cannot do it with the native Framer form builder. But thankfully there is a free form builder called Tally Forms that integrates with Framer and lets you do all that. So let me show you. This is Tally, a free form builder that lets you add forms also to your Framer website. It's super easy to use, and it lets you add conditional logic or hidden fields even, and multi-select fields, etc, etc. So you just press enter, type in the slash command or on this plus symbol, and then you can choose whatever fields you want to create. So for example, let's start with a short answer. You can type in a question, what's your name? Then you can add a new field called email, for example, right? Insert that, email, what's your email? And same way you can also add multi-select fields like this, insert, like this. You can have multi-select forms. There are a ton of options you can choose from, like, phone numbers, file uploads, scales, ratings, payments, headings, subheadings, titles, labels, uploading images, videos, audio, anything you like. So it's super, super flexible and versatile. Let us add a contact form to the website now. We have the name, the email, the role of the person, a hidden field asking for the role if the answer is other. They can leave a message, which is optional, and they can also subscribe to a newsletter by checking the box here and submit the form. So once the form is ready and we've built it, we can hit publish and then go to the share button, copy the share link, go to our Framer website again, remove the old Framer form, let us delete it, go to plugins, Tally, type in Tally, and now you'll see on the right here, you see the field Tally Forms. You can add the link we copied and then hit embed form, cut and paste the form where you want it to be. And then you will see the form is embedded. But this is our form, it looks great already, looks very, very clean and native. Here we can resize it so that it fits the mobile screen. Perfect, now it looks great on mobile as well. And let's publish the page and fill out a test entry. So let's fill out the form. If someone selects other, then this hidden field shows up, tell me more, and then you can select, okay, I'm a developer, or write who you are, what your role is. Then someone can leave a message, which is optional, submit this button, submit, and then upon submission, people can get redirected to a thank you page of your choice. You can find all the submissions of the form in Tally in the Summary tab, also in the Submissions tab. You can also see everything that people submitted. You can download as CSV. You can also use Tally integrations. You can integrate Tally with Notion, with Google Sheets, with Airtable, with Slack, with automation tools like Make and Zapier, etc. so that you can really create powerful workflows and automate a lot of manual work. And while our form already looks great on our website, you can even take it a step further and you can add custom CSS and change the styling of your form as well. If you click on Customize, you can change, the font, the theme, the background color, the text, the button background, etc. With the Pro version, you can even change the CSS So for example, here I wrote some CSS code with AI to help me make the form look even more like my style and my branding. So just as an example, this is what the form looks like with the styling applied. The fields are a bit different, a bit wider, and the fonts, and also the color and the width of the submit button. So a few changes, but really cool that you can do that with Tally. So this is how you can create a form in Framer and take it even further with Tally forms. And the best part is you can use Tally forms completely for free with unlimited forms and submissions. Enjoy!